Hey there, in this sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made my easy twisted headbands. There's no pattern needed and I used a bunch of scrap fabrics I had. So here's how I made it. So I began with an 8-inch piece of elastic, and this one is about 3/4 of an inch wide. You can even use a wider or thinner one, up to you. Then I have this strip of fabric which measures 15 inches long by 2 inches high. And what you're going to do with this is you're going to make sure that your elastic fits in it. So you may have to adjust that size if your elastic is a different size. Then you need 2 pieces of this fabric here that's 15 inches by 6 inches high. So now I'm folding all 3 pieces of fabric right sides together, and I'm going to sew close the open ends, back stitching on the ends. And then you'll see that I'm going to flip them right side out. For the thinner piece, I'm using a bodkin because it totally makes my flipping around super easy. And if you don't have one and want one, go ahead and click on the description of this video because I left you a link on where to get one. Using the bodkin, I'm going to thread the elastic into the casing. And on this end, I'm going to stitch back and forth a few times, just like that. Stitch this end the same way as well. Now that they are closed the ends, I have my band ready. And now I lay this piece wrong side up with the seam up and the other one wrong side down, and I just flip it over. I'm clipping one end so it doesn't move, and then I'm going to just fold over this end. And right here on this open end, there's no clip needed here. What I'm going to do is lay the elastic wrong side up facing me so I can see the seam. And I'm going to lay it right in there and fold the ends right over like this. And I'm going to go over to my sewing machine and sew a few times back and forth, like 3 or 4 times. Again, fold it right over. And now that that's secured, I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite end. I'm going to place the edge of the elastic right to the edge of the fabric, fold it over, and stitch several times over. And flip it right side out, and there you go. Your headband is done. That was so easy. If you really love this sewing tutorial, go ahead and click on my other headband tutorial right up here on the screen. Thanks for watching.